The United Kingdom has made it clear that Zimbabwe must make significant improvements in its governance and human rights practices before being allowed to rejoin the Commonwealth. In essence, the UK has blocked Zimbabwe's return to the organization from which it was suspended in 2002. Saimna mashoko atona kuti Zimbabwe will receive bad news pamusoro pedhinawo yayo yereadmission Commonwealth. Subscribe or like what's on the bell icon. Tina manaokudanira cheti the Commonwealth Secretariat yet recommended Zimbabwe's readmission after consulting member countries and allowing them until November 26 to voice their opinions. Any decision on rejoining requires unanimous approval from all members. The UK, however, has firmly stated that the time is not yet right for Zimbabwe's reintegration. In a written response to a question posed by Baroness Kate Hoy in the House of Lords, the UK's Foreign Office emphasized, the UK has always been clear that we would like to see Zimbabwe return to the Commonwealth when the time is right. However, the response continued, at present we do not share the Secretariat's assessment of Zimbabwe's progress or its readiness in accordance with the shared values and principles outlined in the Commonwealth Charter. Although acknowledging some progress, the Foreign Office stated, we believe further steps are needed on democracy, governance and human rights before Zimbabwe formally applies to rejoin the Commonwealth. Ndo mashoko atino kuti aiwa mutunga munyika yeZimbabwe vatidzi Mnangagwa unokandiwa aiwa nemashoko aiwa anobata chazoti aiwa ngavatange vamboimprova panhau aiwa dze-rule of law dzema-human rights, the governance aiwa nedemocracy zvatoona kuti vareadmitiwe Commonwealth vanzi mbotange magadzirisa zvinhu zvationa kuti aiwa the Commonwealth Secretariat vaimbobuda nhau dzekuti aiwa aida kutorova backdoor admission, but tinoona kuti aiwa vakomana veku-UK vazviramba. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudai pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Ina comment section medu, musana subscribe or like, so turn on the bell icon.